tool that can build your complete affiliate site in minutes with content, images, and affiliate links fully automated. Stick around. I'm showing you SiteNinja AI and exactly how it works. My first impression? SiteNinja AI is hands down one of the easiest, most powerful DFY affiliate site builders I've seen. Beginners and even experienced marketers can get sites live in minutes, fully optimized for traffic and commissions. SiteNinja AI is a cloud-based software that automatically creates fully functional affiliate websites. Who it's for? New marketers who don't know coding, content creation, or SEO. Experienced marketers who want to scale quickly. What it does, it automatically generates content, images, and posts, inserts your affiliate links, and even optimizes for search engines. Problem solved. No more struggling to write articles, find royalty-free images, or manually add affiliate links. SiteNinja AI does all of it. Let me show you how simple it is. Here's the dashboard. Choose your topic. Enter any niche or keyword. Select article topics. SiteNinja AI generates a list automatically. Click Post, and boom, your site is ready. Articles, images, and affiliate links are all automatically added. Everything is done for you, fully automated. You can customize logos, theme, and even pick your own affiliate products. It literally saves hours of work every week.
So I want to do something a little different in this video. Instead of me telling you how great the SiteNinja AI software is, I'm just going to prove it to you right here in this video. So I'm going to let you watch me build out a complete affiliate site using nothing but the SiteNinja AI software and do it all in just a matter of minutes. So I'm going to build a brand new complete affiliate site in just a matter of minutes using nothing but the software. So you don't have to wonder if the software works, wonder how it works, or wonder what it does. I'm going to show you right here today. So I set up a demo site for this. I can refresh this page and you can see there's nothing here. So I'm planning like a healthy blog, a blog about weight loss. So all I need to do is come into the software here. So I have the SiteNinja software installed, and the only thing I need to do is enter a topic. So I'm just going to simply enter in the topic weight loss because that's what I want my site to be about. And I'm going to click generate topic. So what the software is going to do, it's going to generate a list of article topics I can have written for the site. So you can see right there, it brought back the first 10. Now, if I didn't like those, I could change the keyword up here or just generate more topics. But you can see it brought back topics we can use for this brand new site. So all I need to do, and this is the only work you need to do to create your affiliate site, is check the boxes you want on your site. So let's say I want the software to go out and create these for me. So I'm going to check off these boxes here and have it create all 10 of them for me. And here's the great part. In order to write the article, create a featured image for each article, add images inside of each article, post them to my site, set the entire site up, all I need to do is simply come right here and click on Insert Articles. From there, it's going to go ahead and create everything for me. So I simply click Insert Articles and we're off to the races. So now what the software is doing is going to go out and it's going to write each of these articles for me. You can see it already started the first one. After it generates that content, it's going to create a featured image. Then it's going to create images for the article content. It's going to post it on my site and have everything completely done for me. So you can see right here, now it's creating the featured image. So I'm going to give it a couple minutes to run through all the AI steps, and then we'll take a look at our brand new affiliate site. All right, so the SiteNinja software has finished with all of my content. So let's go take a look at the site. I'm going to go ahead and refresh the site, and you can see it's gone ahead and built our entire site. So if I go and take a look here, you can see it's posted each of the articles to our site. It's also created featured images for each of them. It's formatted everything. And just like that, in a matter of minutes, I have a complete affiliate site that was completely built for me using AI and the SiteNinja software. So if I go and take a look at one of these, you can see Again, it brought in a great featured image. We've programmed it to create featured images that work well with WordPress. You can see there it has the title of the post and the featured image, and then obviously related images within it. So you have your featured image completely created for you. If I scroll down here, you can see it went ahead and it wrote us the content of that, and it also added more images. So in the actual post, it will add in 3 more images. You can see those have all been created for me. Great looking images, relevant to the content. They're inserted in there and all ready to go. So again, this entire post and my entire site has been created using the SiteNinja AI software. Now, I can always go back and search another topic and add a bunch more articles to my site. But again, I think this proves to you what the SiteNinja AI software does, how powerful it is, and how it can indeed set you up an entire affiliate site with all your content, great looking featured images, images within the content, and everything is ready to go in just a matter of minutes. I didn't have to write a single word of content. I didn't have to find a single image. I didn't have to go to Canva and create these featured images. It did that for me as well. So again, SiteNinja is an all-in-one software that can literally set you up an entire affiliate site in just a matter of minutes using nothing but the software and AI. So again, instead of just wasting your time with me hyping up the software with a great sales presentation, I thought it was best just to show you the software in action and prove to you that it can build you an affiliate site in just a matter of minutes. So again, if you're ready to build your own affiliate site just like this, completely hands off, you need to grab the SiteNinja AI software. Once you grab that software, you'll get access to it. You simply upload it to your site. You come into the topics generator here, give it a topic, generate those, choose the articles you want, and then let AI build the entire site for you. And in just a matter of minutes, by later today, you're going to have your affiliate site built and ready to go just like this. And the great thing about using SiteNinja AI is it can be absolutely any topic you would like. It's all dependent on what you search by. So again, if you're ready to build out an entire affiliate site with just a couple clicks, and I've proven to you here right in this video how easy it is and how it really is a simple click of inserting the articles. It doesn't get any easier than that. You need to go ahead, grab your copy, set up your affiliate site, and you are off to the races.
SiteNinja AI also comes with optional upgrades if you want to scale faster. SiteNinja Pro, $37. Advanced features and AI control. SiteNinja Unlimited, $47. Build unlimited affiliate sites. SiteNinja DFY, $97. Fully done-for-you sites, no work required. SiteNinja Reseller, $97. Resell the software and keep 100% of the profits. Plus, there's iMarketer's hosting, $49.69 per year for recurring commissions. And here's the part that makes this offer insane, the exclusive bonuses you'll get if you grab it through my link. WP Slideshow Master, create high-impact slideshows for engagement. WP Swift Page Plugin, speed up your site, reduce bounce rates. Lead Book Generator, automate Facebook lead ads into your email list. WP Email Timer Plus, add countdown timers to boost clicks and sales. Conversion Equalizer, instantly improve your Google Ads conversions. Sales Page Recycler, reuse any page across funnels, saving time. Action Poll, segment your audience for higher opt-in rates. Article Analyzer, optimize articles for SEO traffic effortlessly. Slide Up Bar plugin, grow your email list fast. Pin Marketer, automate Pinterest traffic to your site. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. Over 40 plus high-value marketing tools, plugins, and training are included to supercharge your site and traffic. Grab them before they're gone. So here's the bottom line. SiteNinja AI takes all the hard work out of creating affiliate sites, even for beginners with zero experience. With your exclusive bonuses, you're essentially getting a complete marketing system that can start generating commissions in days, not weeks. But here's the catch. These exclusive bonuses are only available for the next 48 hours or for the first 25 buyers. Once they're gone, they're gone. Click the link below right now to grab SiteNinja AI and claim your bonus stack while it's still available. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, comment below if you have questions, and subscribe for more honest software reviews. Remember, click the link below, grab SiteNinja AI, and get your exclusive bonus stack before time runs out. I'll see you on the inside.